Our MBA program at Vijay Patil School of Management are designed with three distinct streams catering to various career paths and interests. The diversity is astounding, each uniquely tailored to meet your career aspirations. Our MBA is offered in three distinct MBA streams: the General MBA, the Analytics Embedded MBA, and the Domain-Specific MBA. The General MBA is a well-rounded program that offers specializations in marketing, finance, organizational behavior, HR for corporate careers, productions operations for manufacturing roles, and international business for global management opportunities. This stream provides a broad foundation in business principles, preparing you for a range of roles in various industries. Now, imagine an MBA program that merges business acumen with the power of data. That's the Analytics Embedded MBA. This stream exclusively focuses on AI/ML with managerial analytics. It allows you to dive into the dynamic world of fintech for thrilling roles in finance and analytics. Additionally, you can explore SCM's analytics impact and master transportation analytics in marine aviation. This program is designed for those who want to leverage the power of data in strategic decision-making. Last but not least, we have the Domain-Specific MBA. This stream offers specialized programs in areas like banking finance, sports management, hospital healthcare management, and family managed business. This program is designed to equip students with the skills and knowledge required to excel in these specific sectors. So, with Vijay Patil School of Management, whether you are drawn to the broad business principles of the Common MBA, the data-driven approach of the Analytics Embedded MBA, or the specialized focus of the Domain-Specific MBA, rest assured, each stream is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to thrive in today's dynamic business landscape. Remember, our program offers industry-experienced faculty, collaborative opportunities, and a strong industry tie-up for placement assistance and internships. So, no matter which stream you choose, you are setting yourself up for success. In conclusion, the choice of an MBA stream should align with your career goals and interests. Whether you are looking to broaden your business understanding. In the end, it's all about finding the right fit, the right path, and the right MBA stream to help you achieve your career aspirations. So, which stream piques your interest the most? Reach out to our MBA counselors for an APT career choice.